What can a pair of gloves change? Change the habit of perceiving the world. Change the experience of exploring the world. Change the way people interact with the world. A pair of gloves is a combination of industrial aesthetics and intelligent technology. It is the future work style that HANVO Safety strives to build. To innovate for human safety. This is the mission that HANVO has been practicing since its birth in 2004. As an innovative company with independent research and development capability, we have been focusing on the development, production, and sales of various functional safety gloves for over 10 years, making breakthroughs in the areas of cut-resistant, high abrasion, puncture-resistant, and high-low temperature-resistant. At present, we have independently developed washed microfoam, high abrasion, sandy, cut-resistant, and chemical-resistant series gloves, which are widely used in automobile manufacturing, petrochemical industry, electronic machinery, construction sites, and other important fields. As a world-class benchmark enterprise in the field of personal protection equipment, we firmly believe that technology ensures quality in the intelligent industry era. Technology and product innovation is the core driving force of HANVO. Globally patented metal QTM, high-performance HPPE, and engineered staple fiber yarn metal mix TM integrate a set of advanced yarn roping processes to achieve a perfect balance of comfort and cut resistance through the spinning, covering, and blending of many special fibers. The unique GrabTech TM washed microfoam, featuring innovative coating and knitting technology, is zero-feeling breathable, supremely soft, oil-resistant, and non-slip. The ergonomically designed provides users with a more precise grip and a better tactile feeling. Super Grip Sandy Coating features a coating technology that allows the operator to create a suction cup effect when grasping oily, wet objects, resulting in optimal grasping experience on the object. Smart Grid High Abrasion Resistance Coating Technology provides the operator with a dexterous grip in dry and wet conditions through a flat design coating technology. 7-cycle wash is a mandatory process for most safety gloves to ensure that no chemical odor remains on the finished product. With the goal of senseless wear, pursues a more comfortable, safer, and more secure user experience. Starting from the base layer of the glove to build solid protection, and further integrating design aesthetics on this basis to endow personalized value to the product. Quality is always the first belief of HANVO. Through the intelligence of production equipment and automation of the manufacturing process, quality is controlled throughout the entire process. Through continuous investment in scientific research, product innovation is empowered in all categories. HANVO Safety, taking yarn as the starting point, constantly developing new fiber materials and strengthening wrapping and knitting technologies. At the same time, HANVO breaks through the innovative coating technology to create enclosed, fully automatic dipping lines, ensuring the accuracy of gloves dipping point and the balance of the dipping thickness. HANVO strives to achieve the dual accomplishment of scale and quality with devout craftsmanship. HANVO measures every step of the production process through digital management. More efficient and intelligent. Moreover, HANVO also remains the original intention of protecting people, embrace the concept of sustainable development, insists on people-oriented, green and safe. We use every certification and every patent to build the strength of HANVO's guardianship. Today, HANVO's products have been recognized in more than 50 countries and regions, at home and abroad, covering 1 billion users, applying new fields, creating new values. The ubiquitous HANVO is also creating new technologies and materials in more areas, empowering intellectual manufacturing with an international vision. We are fully promoting the operating industry's transformation, making guardianship more powerful, making life more valuable.